Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to teach you guys how to make a chorizo and egg sandwich. Maybe some of you have not been schooled in chorizo, but this is how I can make a really good sandwich. I'm not saying this is the way of chorizo making. So what is good about chorizo is it's really cheap. See, it's $1. I used about a quarter, maybe a little bit more, so that's 25 cents worth of chorizo. Okay, I need a little bit of extra milk in here. I mean, a little bit of grease, but not that much. The thing about chorizo is you want to be sure you're getting your chorizo done, but you don't want to burn it. So I have 2 eggs. I'm going off my diet, maybe 1 meal. I was thinking, why do you have to be so extreme? If you don't feel like doing the the low carb diet, just go off for a couple meals. And then I have evaporated milk that I was supposed to drink last night that I didn't. But I could have, I did drink chocolate milk. So I'll add a little, I'll drink it before the day is out. The chocolate milk is, see how my paper towel is just soaking up that grease? That's good. And I'm going to make a pretty substantial sandwich. There's all ways to do this, but this is going, you will see, this is, you want to mix it good, and I'm going to put that on this side of the pan. That way I can make 2 sides because I want to make a double decker. You know, I've had no bread I've had no bread for days, you guys. So now I have 3 pieces of bread. I was lucky this week. I found bread half price. This one was half price. I don't see any reason we should pay full price if just by keeping your eye out, you can find bread half price. I mean, why? Why? So on my sandwich, I want some mayo. Mainly what we're going to do is we're going to find good stuff we can eat that is going to get us by. We're going to stock, so if we have tubes of chorizo, we would, in $2, we would have 8 substantial meals. I was thinking, quantity is very important. Just buy the mustard. I'm not crazy about it. And I thought, you know, that's stupid. Just buy it at Walmart. That is the cheapest possible place you possibly can get it. So, all right, now back over here. My egg is cooking very, very slowly. And I still have tea left. I bought ice, left it with the store, and I can't find the receipt. This is a black tea, one bag. This could be pork sausage. That's another thing I couldn't find. Let's see if it's cooking. Yeah, it's cooking. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to move half of the chorizo on this side and half of the chorizo on that side. So you might be going, well, Rhoda, it's all mixed up anyway. Yeah, but I don't want to make my chorizo mixed through it entirely. I want to create like I'm going to have a double-decker sandwich. So I want to cook my egg like in 2 rows so I can have rows. This is going to be good, you guys. So with this meal, it's going to be veggies. It could be a fruit, but if I eat too much fruit, the diet will really, really fail because I won't do it. You would think all the misery this caused me, I would just go hell with it and buy better. Mexican food is better with a little onion of some sort. That is just the way of Mexican food. I'm very, very hot and I'm very, very hungry because I did exercise a lot today. So let's see if these are ready to flip. Yep. Look how yummy that is, you guys. So you might be saying, I never saw any sandwiches like this. Well, all I can say is it's a good thing you met me. It's a good thing we all met. They're almost done. You guys, the eggs are 20 cents. These could go up to as much as 40 cents each. I wouldn't doubt it. So you've got 60 cents between the chorizo and the egg. You cannot go out and buy a sandwich like this. It's not happening, you guys. This is going to taste so good. I haven't had any bread in days and days. And then I want to put a little lettuce on my sandwich. So we'll go like this. And then we're going to go like this. Yes. Yummy. Now that is a sandwich, you guys. If you buy your bread half price, your bread is 2 cents each. So this might be 75. This is a really good breakfast sandwich, you guys. One more thing. What this would be really good is if you had top ramen. You know how, well, top ramen is not a meal. Oh yeah, top ramen is a meal with this. It would be a really good meal. Okay, you guys, you got to try this. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.